Hello, I'm Kamil, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect your local server pod with pgAdmin 4. So let's start. I need to open terminal and let's open the desktop because I'm gonna show you how to do it here. And first thing first, I need to copy this command. So serverpod create, and here you need to put the name of your project. The default one is my pod. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna put something else, maybe my serverpod. Okay, let's just to show you that it can be whatever you want. Let's press enter. As you can see, we have new folder created on the desktop. So let's go inside this folder, and to be specific, let's go into my serverpod server folder. This is quite important to execute these commands when you are in the server. Okay, so now we need to execute this .compose app --build --detach. That's gonna create containers which you need for your local development. But to do it, you need to open first your Docker desktop. And if you are not gonna open Docker desktop, or you are not gonna have just this Docker desktop running somewhere in the background, you're gonna get an error. Okay, so now when you have this Docker desktop open, let's execute this command. Okay, so we have these containers created. As you can see, we have something here. That's great. Now you can minimize it. And let's open this project in the editor, because we are gonna need this file from my serverpod-server, and this file is named dockercompose.yaml. So as you can see, here we have every single information which we need to connect to our local Postgres container. So first thing first, let's open pgAdmin. Yes, this is a very good idea to open pgAdmin. And now you need to right click on the servers, register server. Okay, name, you can put whatever you want here. Let's name it my serverpod. And yeah, to connect, you need to go to this connection tab. Host name, local host. Port, the default one is 5432, but this is the port which is used inside container, but we have it, we are using this container from outside. So our port is a little bit different, and is this 8090. So as you can see, the port 8090 from our computer is connected to 5432 inside the container. So that's why we need to change it. And here maintains database. Let's check what was the database name. Database name is the name of your project. So in my case, it's my serverpod. In your case, it's probably gonna be something different. Okay. The username is Postgres. That's okay. That's great. We are not changing this. And the password. Password is also different for everyone, so you have your own password. Let's save it and let's see if we are able to connect. Okay, as you can see, we have something here. So we can open this my serverpod. Let's go to schemas, public. Let's go to tables, and you don't have any table here. You know why? Because to have some table, you need to run migrations. So let's right now minimize it. I don't know how to say this, but I hope that I'm saying minimalize. Okay. So right now we executed this Docker compose. Okay. And now when we are inside Serverpod server, let's maybe let's do it in the editor, in the code editor. Okay, so right now we need to go inside this my serverpod server, and now when we are inside server, we need to execute dart bin /main.dart and dash minus minus apply migrations. This is very important. Okay, so the server is running. Great. We can go to pgAdmin 4 and let's right now refresh tables, and as you can see we have default tables from Serverpod, which is quite impressive. And to be honest, I could stop the video here, but I'm gonna show you one more thing. So let's say that we wanna add the new table. So to do it, we need to open our Android Studio, and let's go to my Serverpod server, lib, src, models, and let's create the new file. And my new file is gonna be called movie.spy.yaml, because we are gonna create the table for movies. Okay, and now let's copy this code and let's paste it here. So I'm gonna create this class named movie. The table correspondent is also gonna be movie, just from a lowercase. And this table is gonna have only one field named title. To be honest, it's gonna have two fields, but you're gonna see it later, because by default it's gonna get also this ID. But right here we are not specifying ID. We don't have to, at least. Okay, so right now we have it. Let's save it. Let's open the terminal again. Server is running. I think that we can close the server right now. What we need to do here is to do serverpod generate. Okay, let's wait a second. And as you can see, everything is generated. Okay. And now when we generate this new code, we can go with Serverpod create migrations to just to tell our database that we change something here. So let's execute it. New migration is created. So we can go into migrations, and as you can see before, this was this default one, and this was created by Serverpod right now. So we have this new migrations and we can run it. We can run it, but with which command? Oh, the command was here in the terminal, this one. Okay, so let's execute it once again. Dart bin /main dart and minus minus apply migrations. Serverpod, the server is running again, and right now we can open pgAdmin. As you can see, we don't see anything here right now, but that's because we need to refresh. And right now we can see that the movie table was created. Let's open the columns, and as you can see, we have two columns inside. We have title and we have ID. So title was created from configuration, and ID was added by Serverpod. And let me just show you it once again. So title was our column which we created, and this ID was automatically added. I hope that this video was helpful. In case of any questions or problems, let me know in the comments, and have a good day.